Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Anastasia, and today I'm doing more of like a kind of like a lifestyle styled video, because I know some of you guys still like those videos as well as like my advice and like faith videos and stuff. So today I'm doing some of my like ride or die like favorite of all time products, and I have like a few, like I don't have a ton, but I have a few that like I will never stop using these products, like literally ever. I've used them for years now, and I always recommend them to everybody ever. Before I get into it, if you end up liking this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on a video every time I post. Okay, so I'm first going to start with like skincare stuff. So first thing is this little spinny brush thing. So this was sent to me like last year by a company. They didn't pay me or anything, just to like try out their product, and I never really got back to them, which is probably not good. But I love it, and it has completely changed my skincare routine. So this is kind of like, I think the original was kind of like the Clarisonic, so anything kind of like this works really well. It's just like spinny like this. So, but this thing comes off super easy, and they sent me a few different like brush heads and stuff, but I use the one that's like super exfoliating. Like, I don't really have sensitive skin, but I have skin that needs to be exfoliated literally twice a day. So this changed my life in the sense that I finally realized what I need to keep my skin clear consistently. And so I use this every single morning and every single night with my face wash, which I'm going to talk about in a second. But yeah, I think it just really changed my life because I realized that I can keep my skin completely great if I exfoliate twice a day. This is literally the best face wash I have ever used in my life. And the reason that I feel sad when I say that is because discontinued. I got this at Target. It is the Elizabeth Arden 2-in-1 cleanser for all skin types. I'm trying to see here. Oh good, it's dripping. Looks like this. And so it has like the little like tealish aqua stripe there that says all skin types. So I found this at TJ Maxx, and I keep finding it at TJ Maxx, but I told my friend Brittany about it, and she tried it and she's like, oh, I love it too, but she figured out it's discontinued, and that's why it's at TJ Maxx for so cheap. But so what I've been doing is just like going to all the TJ Maxxes that I can find and just like stocking up. I already have an extra one waiting for when this one runs out. Okay, so I don't have like a daytime face lotion like right before I put on my makeup or anything that I'm like die hard about. I just kind of use whatever. But I love this one from Lush for nighttime. So this is just the sample, but it's Sympathy for the Skin, and it literally smells amazing. If I remember correctly, it is like a banana vanilla kind of thing. This is my second sample because I haven't been able to afford the whole freaking pot of this thing. The pot is like this big and it'll last forever, but it's like $30, guys, for lotion. And this one is free because it's a sample whenever I buy stuff, but I just had like a pot this big and it lasts a long time. I got this before Christmas and I use it almost every single night, if not more. And yeah, so it's amazing. I think it's supposed to actually be a body lotion, but I use it on my face and it's really good. I love it for nighttime. It moisturizes my skin incredibly, but I wouldn't put it on before makeup for me personally because I have such oily skin that I would just look like a grease ball. But if you have really dry skin, I think you would love this all the time. And then these are the last two like skincare products I'm going to talk about, and they're also from Lush. These changed my life. So these are their like fresh face masks. They have a bunch of different kinds, but these two, oh my goodness, these are the only two that I've tried, to be fair. So I'd probably like all of them. But these I will always buy, literally always. I first started using the Cosmetic Warrior like last Christmas, but then I didn't have the money to keep buying it, so I bought it again this year before Christmas, and so it doesn't smell great, but it's not as bad as you'd think, actually. So it's a fresh face mask, so they say to put it in the fridge and stuff. I don't because I'm lazy. And it also has an expiration date on it, but like, that's bull, because it said the expiration date was December 17th, and it's definitely like February 17th, so it's fine. But this one, the Cosmetic Warrior, it looks like this. They're both, I think, like $9 each, but they last a while. This one is like a mix of like garlic, tea tree oil, I think seaweed, something else, and it's just like, I'm almost done with it, so you can't really see it that much, but it's like kind of like a tannish white color. This one is amazing for acne-prone skin, like amazing. And like I said, I don't have sensitive skin, so if your skin's really, really dry, like if it's not good with tea tree oil, you might not like this. You might still like this, but it is amazing for acne. Anytime I fall asleep in my makeup or something that's going to make me break out, I put this on the next day, and I'm fine. I keep both of these on, like, it says like 10 to 15 minutes. I keep it on for like ever, because I just want to soak in all that goodness. This one's called Oatly Fix, and it is a blend of bananas, vanilla, ground almonds, oats. Yeah, I think that's it. And this one is a dream, guys. It smells so good. It kind of smells like, I don't know, like apple crisp or something. Like very vanilla-y, very like coffee cakey, very so good. But it's just brown like this, and it's very thick, but it is the most moisturizing, incredible mask. I use these at night when I use them, just because I don't have time in the morning to put on a face mask. I'm always rushing. But this one is really great. If you have dry skin, you will love this. There's no way this is going to irritate your skin. Like, it is so soothing. I keep this on for literally as long as humanly possible, because I love the way it smells on my face. My face feels amazing when I put it on. Like, it's incredible. So I cannot recommend both of these enough, but I'm going to try other ones too. I have to pick up more of these two, and then I'm going to try another one too. My favorite foundation of all freaking time is this one. Nobody talks about this, and I don't know why, because everywhere I look on like the Ulta website and everything, this has almost perfect reviews. Nobody on YouTube ever talks about it. It is the Clinique Acne Solutions Liquid Makeup. And this one I am out of, so I haven't even been using this for a long time, but I have an Ulta gift card, so I'm going to go and I'm going to get a couple shades, because I've been trying other ones, and I don't like anything better than this. The only thing about this foundation, it does oxidize, so it will end up like a half a shade, a quarter of a shade darker than the one you buy. I don't really mind that. I'm usually fake tanned anyway, so nothing matches. But this gives the most flawless finish in the entire world. It's a liquid to powder finish, so like you don't have to set it at all. Even my oily girls, like, you would love this. Dry skin, I'm not sure how much you would love this, but if you put like a good moisturizer underneath, I'm sure it'd be fine. It does have salicylic acid in it, which is why it dries out down to like a powder finish, but it's like, I would say it's medium to full coverage. It's amazing. It can be layered up. It doesn't look cakey. It looks amazing. Next makeup related thing is lip gloss. So like a lot of my makeup stuff, I don't necessarily have ride or die products. I have like a couple that I'm working on that I think are gonna be, but I don't know for sure yet, so I don't want to share them. But this is definitely one. So my foundation and this I will buy for the rest of my life if I can. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Slicks lip gloss. It is the cheapest, best lip gloss ever. I'm wearing it today. I don't know if you can even tell, but it can be layered, so I'll put some on. It smells like frosting. This shade is rose gold. It gives the most beautiful, like, I think it's supposed to be kind of like a metallic-y kind of finish, but it's not like metallic. It doesn't look metallic. It doesn't look like, whoa, she's wearing metallic lipstick. It just looks like reflective and so pretty. This shade is my favorite because I think it looks good on literally everyone. I have a really light pink shade too, which sometimes I will mix with lipsticks. I just hit myself in the face. Did you see that? Rose gold is my favorite. This is literally like $2, guys. And it's not sticky. It's like so, like, it's like slippy, but it's not gonna get all over your face. And then when you're eating or something and it kind of disappears, it doesn't look noticeable. You can put this on top of anything. Guys, check out the Wet n Wild lip glosses. Nobody's talking about these either, and they are amazing. Next is a lash serum. This one I know people know about because it does get a lot of hype, and it is the Babe Lash Eyelash Serum. Oh, there we go. It comes in this pretty gold bottle, which is fun, but I am actually out. I need to order some more. This thing is expensive. Like, this stuff is pricey. I get mine off of Amazon because I don't know a Babe Lash ambassador to buy it from or something. I just get it off Amazon, and I'm gonna be honest, it's like $50, which is insane. Okay, like, that's crazy. I'm not made of money. But this stuff grows your lashes, like, it really does. And I haven't used this in a couple months now because I've been out and I haven't had a job, but now I have a job, so I'm gonna be buying more. But like, you put it on every morning, every night, just on your lash line. You can put it on top and bottom. I just put it on top. And it does take a little while to like show results, probably like 4 to 5 weeks. But you will wake up literally after like 5 weeks, and just one morning you'll look in the mirror and your eyelashes will be like, bing! Like, I don't know why, I don't know the magic, but it really freaking works, like, a lot. And I know people who they've used this consistently for like years, and their eyelashes are like touching their flippin' eyebrows. Like, they look like they have lash extensions, and I love this stuff. If you're somebody you've wanted lash extensions, but you've also been afraid, because people, they get the lash extensions out, and then their eyelashes fall out, and lash extensions are so expensive and all that, try this, because a bottle of this is the same, or probably way less than getting some lash extensions, and this will last you quite a few months, and the lash extensions will only last a couple weeks and not be permanent, where this will give you permanent lashes, people. So try this. I've heard the Rodent and Fields one is good too, but this is the one I'm going to keep with because I know it works for me. Next, beauty related, we're going to nail polishes. So I'm just talking about brands, mostly these two brands, because they are the best nail polishes I've found, and maybe it's because I'm cheap and haven't explored the world of nail polishes, but okay, well, if you want good cheap nail polish, here we go. So ColourPop has freaking bomb nail polish. It's a little bit broken. I don't know how that just happens because it's supposed to be glass, but whatever. This shade is First Wings First. I don't know why, but it's this beautiful pastel purple. I'm literally almost out. Like, you know it's a good nail polish if you're almost out of the nail polish. Like, who just uses all of their nail polish? I guess just me. But it's really pretty. They have a couple other shades too. I don't think they have a ton. I got this last year, and guys, this stays on better than almost any other nail polish. Like, I'm serious. It's so pigmented that you only need one coat usually, and it stays on really, really well. It was like $3, if not $2. It was bomb. Get some of this. Or this one's really good too, and also so cheap. This is from Five Below. It's the brand Fresh Paint, and this stuff is bomb too. Like, I don't understand. This stuff is definitely like $2.50, and usually they have deals going where it's like 3 for $5 or 3 for $6 or something. And they have fun colors too. This is like a rose gold, like very wintry kind of fall shade. This nail polish stays on better than any nail polish I've ever used. Better than the ColourPop, better than Essie, better than any nail polish I've ever tried that you can just buy from the store. This stays on the best. Maybe it's because it's cheap and gonna destroy my nails. I don't care. It stays on really well, and it's from Five Below. Check it out, guys. I have a few of these colors, but this one's my favorite. Okay, moving on to perfume. I'm gonna be really short and sweet. I am weird about perfume, and I will have a perfume, then get sick of it and all the things. I'll love one, be in love with it, get sick of it. I can't find a perfume that I like. But something I will consistently always like, I swear, is Warm Vanilla Sugar from Bath & Body Works. I know, I'm a basic girl, but it smells so good. They better not ever get rid of this scent, or else there will literally be, like, it'll turn into an apocalyptic world. The girls that will be storming Bath & Body angry that this is gone, because everybody I know loves this, and it smells so, so good. No matter what, I'm never sick of this. I never get a headache from it, which is very common for me with perfumes. I never not have this. Like, I always, always, always have it ready to go, and I spray this more than my expensive perfumes 90% of the time. So maybe I should just take my losses and just buy this from now on. Next, super random, but we're going into hair care now. I only have a couple things. Is a vitamin. So it is biotin, people. They're like all melted and stuck together. You can't even hear them like jingle jangling. It's fine. So if you want to grow your hair, girl, you gotta get biotin. Like that's the, I do not believe these girls who are like, I don't know, my hair just grows. Well, I believe them, but I'm not friends with them. Because when they're like, I don't know, my hair is just really beautiful all the time and I don't know what to do about it. I'm like, great, go somewhere else. Because my hair is not. And I'm upset about it, okay? But biotin actually works to grow your hair. The thing is, though, you have to take it every single day. Like, you have to be consistent with it. Because it's almost like it has to build in your system, and then after a month, you'll start seeing hair growth. I do biotin 10,000 mcg. Is that too much? I don't know. Google didn't say it was too much, so I'm okay with that. But it's literally 3,333% of your daily value. Yikes. It's fine. So this is for hair, skin, and nail health. It does help make my nails so strong. I don't know if I notice a difference in my skin, but this stuff is bomb for growing your hair. I get the soft gels. They're great. They're fun to squish. It's fine. But you need... Whoa! You guys fell over. I caught you, but you fell over. Anyway, you need to get this if you want to grow your hair. When I want to grow my hair, I have to consistently take this every single night, and after a couple months, you will see an actual improvement in your hair. Like, I promise. Alright, last two things, promise. I know this is a long video. Okay. Both hair. Favorite dry shampoo of all time. This is a no-brainer. Batiste. It's the best, but what I really want to talk about is my favorite scent, because some of them suck. But this one smells really good. Okay, so I get the Dynamite bottles from TJ Maxx because they're huge, and it's $8.99 for a bottle that's normally $13. So I get it at TJ Maxx. I don't care if it's expired. It works for me. And this is the Sassy and Daring Wild, like, scent. So it looks like cheetah print, so I feel very sassy and wild. But it actually smells really good. It smells like perfume. It smells like kind of like a musky, kind of, I don't know, like very sensual kind of perfume, I guess, to put in your hair. But that's good because when you haven't washed your hair in a few days like me, you want it to be clean and to smell good. This one is my favorite smell. There are a couple that I don't like personally, but this is just the original. If you have really, really dark hair, you might not like this one because they make one specifically for dark and you're stuck with that smell. Sorry. But this one is just like the white base. It doesn't bother me because my hair is not so dark, but if you have dark hair, you might not like that. The last product to share with you guys is my favorite hairspray ever. It is the Garnier Fructis Style Volume Hairspray. The reason I like this is for nothing else than the smell. Oh my gosh. I cannot tell you how many times I have sprayed hairspray and been like, I'm gonna pass out. I hate this smell so much from other hairsprays. And my friend Corey had this and I was like, what is that? Because I need it just for the smell. And they have it in different like strengths of hold. So they have it 1 to 5. I have 3, so it's just like meh hold, and I'm okay with that. So I can brush it out if I need to, but it was cheap, and the only reason I literally got it was for the smell. But I will not buy another hairspray now because I hate the smell of every hairspray except this hairspray. So that's what we're going with. I hope you guys liked this video. Sorry, I know it was like really long. I mean, all my videos are long. You know me. You know this. Okay. But I hope you guys had some kind of inspo from these products, and maybe you'll go on their websites and see. None of this was sponsored, by the way. But these are my ride or die products, and yeah. So I will be back tomorrow with another like faith advice video, but I still wanted to get something up for you guys and just give a little bit of the lifestyle hint as well. So I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!